How to edit a video in InShot. Now, in order to edit a video in InShot, you just simply need to open the InShot application, and after opening the InShot application, you will get to see this video option in Create New tab. Now, you just simply need to tap into the video option. And after opening the video option, you just simply need to select the video that you want to edit. And after selecting the video, just simply tap to this check mark at the bottom right. Then after tapping in there, the video will be uploaded to your editing section in InShot. Now you can mute your clip and you can change the audio, add the audio, change canvas, and all of the other features such as audio, sticker, text, effect and filter, even PIP, and a lot of AI features such as AI cut and then AI enhancement, and those new features will be available in here, and you can easily edit the video with very basic knowledge into InShot. You can even select the part that you don't want and split that by tapping into this split button, and then you can delete the part that you don't want, like this. Now this is very easy process to edit into the InShot. I hope you understood how. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.